If that way, if there's a problem with any of the ones they bought, you're gonna be fucking programmed in.
That's all I was gonna do. These won't work though, right?
They might. I don't know. That's what I was trying to figure out. And then you gotta have the key turned.
Well,
Gotta turn the computer
I
on.
thought I did have it turned. I had it turned at some point. What year is it?
That was 5 right there. Oh, 5.
AGV.
Yeah, I go HEV.
Insert key to be learned and turn on.
Made it worse.
3 of 10 minutes. Dang, it was that quick. Guess I didn't try if these fit in here or not. Mining failed. Yeah, those aren't it.
The question is, how many keys is allowed in the system, too? I don't know if 4 is the max or not.